we are going to learn a technique to remember all the formulas of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. See, now if I take my left hand, my thumb will be my 0 degree, then 30, 45, 60, 90. I should label them like that. Now, for sine theta, the formula says square root of fingers below upon 2. Now, suppose if you say sine 90 I want to find. So, in such case, what I will do, I will first check 90, where it is. So, at the top. Below that, how many fingers are there? 4. So, I will write root 4 by 2. Now, root 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Then, if you say sine 30, so sine 30, how many fingers are below that 30 degree? Only one thumb is there. So I will write root 1 upon 2. So root 1 is 1 by 2. Then same way, sine 60. Sine 60, how many are there below that? 3. So root 3 by 2. Now sine 45. Sine 45, it will be 2 fingers. So root 2 by 2. Only here I need to do a simple calculation. Root 2 I will write as root 2. 2 I will write as root 2 into root 2. So that will be 1 by root 2. Now to find sine 0, how many fingers are below 0 angle? None. So 0 by 2, that is root 0 by 2. So 0 upon 2. So that will be 0. So from this I got the whole table of sine theta. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Now for cos theta, the formula says fingers above square root upon 2. So I have to just do the square root of the fingers above that angle. So suppose if I want to find cos 0, the cos 0 will be how many fingers are above that? 4. So root 4 upon 2. So that will be 2 by 2. So 1. Now if I find cos 30, 3 are there above that. So root 3 by 2. Then cos 60, 1 is there only. So root 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Cos 90. So there is no finger above that. So I will write 0 upon 2. So that is 0. Now coming to cos 45. Here also, see, 2 fingers are above. So root 2 by 2. So again I will get 1 by root 2 here also. Same way, if I go for tan theta, the formula says square root of fingers below upon square root of fingers above. So tan 0. So fingers below. So 0 upon fingers above. So above are 4. So 0 by 2, that is 0. Now tan 45. So for tan 45, the formula says fingers below. So below fingers are 2. So square root of 2 upon fingers above. So that are also 2. So that will be 1. Then tan 60. Fingers below are 3. So root 3 upon fingers above 1. So root 3. And tan 90. Fingers below are 4. So root 4 upon fingers above 0. So this comes as 2 by 0. So that is not defined, because anything upon 0 is not defined. If I reverse sine, I will get cosec. If I reverse cos, I will get sec. And if I reverse tan, I will get cot. So this is an easy way to remember the whole table. Now moving to exercise 8.2, question 1. First one says, evaluate the following: sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree, plus sine 30 degree, cos 60 degree. So here we will be using the sine theta, cos theta and tan theta table. So we know that sine 30 degree will be equal to half, sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, and cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Now putting values, sine 60 means root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this became 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So that is 1. Now in that the second one says 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sine square 60 degree. So we know that sine theta, sine 60 degree will be equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, and tan 45 is 1. So putting values, 2 into 1 square plus sine 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So this both get cancelled. So answer is 2. Now third one says cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. So putting the values, I will get 1 by root 2, as cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now sec 30, so 2 by root 3 plus 2. So this will be 1 by root 2 whole upon 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. I have just done the LCM. Now denominator will go in numerator. So root 3 upon root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So that will be root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Change of the sign. So I will get 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So this I will get as root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole 2 root 6 whole square. A square minus b square. So this will be 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 upon 4 into 2 minus 4 into 6. So if I solve it, so 2 root 6 minus 18 is 9 will come out. So it will become 3. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 root 2, and this will be minus 16. So I can say minus 2 root 6 plus 6 root 2 upon 16. I have multiplied the minus sign in the numerator. So now If I take 2 common and cut, so this will become 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Now fourth one says sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So putting the values 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 upon 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So doing the LCM 2 root 3. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 whole upon, again the LCM will be 2 root 3. So 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this will come to as 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 root. Rationalizing the denominator, so I will get 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3 upon 4 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. So this will come to 12 root 3 minus 27 minus 16 plus 12 root 3 upon minus 11. So 12 root 3 and 12 root 3 will be 24 root 3 minus 43 upon minus 11. So if I take minus sign up, so this will become 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Then fifth one in that says 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 degree upon whole upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So this will be nothing but 5 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 upon 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So that will be 5 upon 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 whole upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this will form to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 upon LCM will be 4, so 1 plus 3. So now in the numerator if I do LCM, so it will be 12. So 15 plus 64 minus 12 whole upon 1. So this will come to 67 by 12. Now next question is choose the correct option and justify your choice. So it is an MCQ 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree equal to whether it is sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 or sin 30. So the simplest thing is I put the values and I solve it first. So 2 tan 30. So 2 into 1 by root 3 whole upon 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So this will be 2 by root 3 whole upon 1 plus 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 whole upon 3 plus 1 by 3. So that will be 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. So 3 by 2 root 3. So if I write 3 as root 3 into root 3 upon 2 into root 3, so 1 root 3 get cancelled. So this is coming to root 3 by 2. So which is equal to sine 60 degree. 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So here the options given to me are A 1090, B is 1, C is sine 45 and D1 is 0. So solving, if I put the values, so tan square 45 means 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square. So this will be 1 minus 1 upon 2. So 0. So option D is the correct one. Now coming to the third one, it says sine 2A equal to 2 sine A is true when A equal to, first option is 0 degree, second option is 30 degree, third option is 45 degree and fourth option is 60 degree. Now here I am solving first LHS, that is sine 2A for degree 0. So sine 0, so 2 into 0 degree, so that will be 0. RHS 2 sine A, so that will be 2 into sine 0 degree, so that will also be 0. Now fourth one says 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree, and options given are cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 or sin 30. So if I solve this one, see 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. If I start putting the values, so this will be 2 into 1 by root 3 whole upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So this will be 2 by root 3 upon, so this will be 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. So I will get root 3, that is tan 60. Now next question is tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, where 0 degree is less than A plus B and less than or equal to 90 degree and A is greater than B. So find A and B. So tan A plus B equal to root 3. We know that root 3, so I can say tan 60 equal to tan A plus B. So therefore A plus B equal to 60 degree. So let me put this as first number, and then tan A minus B equal to, I am given 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree equal to tan A minus B. So I can say A minus B equal to 30 degree. Let it be 2. Now solving 1 and 2, A plus B equal to 60 A minus B equal to 30. So if I add them, so 2A equal to 90. So A I will get as 45. Putting A equal to 45 in 1, A plus B equal to 60 degrees the equation, so it implies 45 plus B equal to 60. So therefore B will be 15 degree. Now question 4 is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. So to justify, let A equal to 60 degree, B equal to 30 degree. So sin A plus B will be equal to sin 60 plus 30. So that will be sin 90, that is 1. So first I have solved LHS. Now let me solve RHS. So RHS says sin A plus sin B. So sin 60 plus sin 30. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So taking the LCM, I will get root 3 plus 1 by 2. So therefore LHS is not equal to RH. Then second one says the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. So here we know that sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, and sin 90 degree equal to 1. So therefore values of sin theta increases as theta increases. So it is a true statement given to me. The third one says the values of cos theta increases as theta increases. So if we put the values, so cos 0 degree equal to 1, cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, then cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree equal to 0. So it is false, as the values are decreasing, not increasing. Then fourth one says sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So here if I take simple sin 30 and cos 30, so sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So therefore sin 30 is not equal to cos 30. So this statement is false. Then fifth one says cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. So, cot 0 degree is equal to cos 0 upon sin 0. So that is 1 upon 0, which is not defined. So this is